Samho Tools has recently introduced super hard drill bits and super hard thread milling cutters. Hole drilling and thread milling can be even finished on the hardened steels up to HRC63. The M3 thread hole diameter 2.6毫米 drilling on the hardened steel S600 HRC60 is to test the life of the thread milling cutter. Test cutter Samho HRC65 super hard drill bit hole drilling D 2.6 depth 8毫米 spindle speed 2600 feed rate 40 Q 0.1 test result. It takes 140 S to process a hole, and the drill bit is worn after 32 小时 O's were processed. It can be further used after being re-grinded. This series of cutters can process hardened steels with HRC63 and powder metallurgy. Samho HRC65 super hard drill bit can be used repeatedly after manual grinding. Excellent thread quality can be inspected through thread plug gauge. Test cutter Samho 3T's thread milling cutter M3 0.5 thread depth 6毫米 spindle speed 2600 feet 50 Samho HRC65 3T's thread milling cutter can cut more than 20 holes of M3 6毫米 for the steel with hardness HRC60. High machining efficiency is proved.